my name is Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and today I am sharing some music and movement activities for children using the song, There Was an Old Witch Who Stirred a Brew. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an outline of that video. It's 15 minutes long.
There was an old witch who stirred a brew for the monsters, past and ghost, and the rest of her crew.
And there are some different sections in it, and I'm going to go through each of those sections so that you have a better understanding of how to use this at home or in your classroom. If you want, you can go and download the free resource by joining the Sing, Play, Create freebie group. It has all the materials you need to use this at home or at school. This is a cumulative song, and so the goal is for the students to collect the ingredients to help the witch stir her brew. She has to stir a brew in order for Halloween to come true. Each of the ingredients has a special meaning and an action that's going to go along with it. The students are going to have to do in order to collect the ingredient for the witch. In the first section of the song, it goes through all the ingredients and what's going to happen in the story. Then we have the first challenge, and that is to collect a zombie eye. To collect the zombie eye, the students are going to have to spell the word Halloween. Once they spell the word, the zombie eye drops into the witch's brew and she is able to stir it up. The next ingredient is a pumpkin, and so they're going to sing the 5 Little Pumpkins song. Then they have to do a challenge. They're going to have to run, jump, and duck. And they're going to be doing this using the video. It's like a run challenge exercise video that you've seen on YouTube. Then they'll sing the next verse to find out what the next ingredient is, and that is the dust of a ghost. If you have scarves for them to use, they can use a scarf to catch the dust of the ghost. The next ingredient is a dragon's egg. And in order to get the dragon's egg, they're going to have to dodge right, dodge left, crawl, and jump. The next ingredient is the bone of a skeleton. And in this challenge, they're going to have to get a bone from the skeleton while he's doing the skeleton dance. And so all the students can stand up and do the skeleton dance to get the bone from the skeleton. After they have the ingredients, they're going to have them all in the witch's stew, and they're going to sing through it. And the song is going to go through the ingredients going backwards, just like a cumulative song does. And so they'll review all of the ingredients, and Halloween will then happen. Here's another way you can use this activity. You can add in some hand actions and body movement. So when the students are singing the song, each of the ingredients can have an action attached to it. So the first ingredient is a zombie eye, so they're going to do this. A zombie's eye, and they can pound their fist. The second ingredient is a pumpkin, and we're going to do this. Roll our hands like a pumpkin. A pumpkin that wasn't a pie. The dust of a ghost can be open and close, as if you're whooshing the ghost's dust, or grabbing the ghost dust, one or the other. Open and shut movement. For the dragon's egg, we can pretend our hands are the dragon's mouth, breathing fire, and we're clapping. When they are ready to get the skeleton's bone, they can pat their thighs, or they could pat their body like this. This is a good one too, to get the skeleton's bone. You can add those actions in after you've sang it through the first time. Then the students can not only do these actions, but they can also do the movement and challenges that are in the video. If you want to turn this into a music activity, it's pretty easy. I have the chart, as you can see, and the students are going to play a different instrument for each of the ingredients. The zombie eye is going to be a triangle. The pumpkin is going to be a drum. The dust of a ghost is shakers, the dragon's egg is wood blocks or sand blocks, and the skeleton's thigh bone is rhythm sticks. As you can see, this is a chart that you can get on the free resource that will give you the instruments and a poster so you can work with the students. There's 2 ways you can do the instrument activity. One is that every student has every instrument, or you can have groups of students. There's 7 ingredients, and so there would be 7 groups of students, and then they could play when it's their turn. So for example, if they're the zombie eye, then all of the triangles would play during the zombie eye. During the skeleton bone, all the rhythm sticks would play during the skeleton bones. The other students could do the hand actions for those while the one group is playing their instrument. So everybody can have their hands busy during this activity. I hope you'll drop a comment below and let us know which part of this song was your student's favorite, which age group did you use it with, how did you use it, what was effective, maybe what didn't work so well, and how can I improve this resource. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know teaching music is a tough job and it takes a lot of time, energy, and emotional energy. And so I hope that this activity helps you during the month of October. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.
Sing, play, create.